Hello hon, let's do a sleek ponytail or bun on natural hair. I'm using the Hask 5-in-1 leave-in spray because I've found that it helps to detangle my hair quickly and leaves it feeling super soft. If you can't find this spray, you could also just mix some conditioner and water in a spray bottle. Next, I'm creating a straight middle path with a wide tooth comb. This is just for the parting because there's no way this hair is being combed today. I go in with some more spray just to make my hair more manageable. The wetter your hair is, the easier it will be to style your hair like this. To flatten my hair, I'm using the Tangle Tamer Denman brush. I've found this brush to be the best for my hair type because the bristles are small and soft enough that I avoid breakage, but it's sturdy enough to tame the mane. Moving on to styler, this is my homemade flaxseed gel. I love it because it's so easy to make and it has 0 chemicals in it. I'll leave a link to the recipe in the description. And if you're not up to making your own gel, you can also use the In-All Curl Activator. That product is meant to define curls, but if you use it this way, your hair will be flatter than flat. Also pay attention to the way I'm brushing my hair. I'm keeping my hair as close to my ear as possible so that the style goes straight down to the side and that my hair doesn't move back. Of course, if you wanted your hair to be further back and you wanted your strands to almost move to the side, then that's also fine. I just prefer my hair to all be in one direction. Time to tie. I'm just using a bewhole satin scrunchie. Since my hair is long and thick, this scrunchie won't even be visible when I'm done. Then I decided that I'm not doing too much with my edges, but I made sure to brush the sides and curl my whiskers. On to the final step. If you're happy to just have a low ponytail, I'm wearing a satin head wrap for 5 minutes to hold the style in place. How cute, right? Let's take it one step further. If you have long hair and don't want the boring twisted bun, I'm using a hair grip to pin my hair up and leave a few strands out so you get that 90s sleek spiky contrast. If I wear my satin head wrap tonight, I will wake up with my hair like this in the morning. No need to restyle. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and stick around because there's another video coming up after this.